Good morning, friends, and welcome to the beautiful rainy Sunday morning. And today, uh, as you all know, that whatever we think in our life, whatever we speak with ourselves, the moment is much special when we speak with ourselves. What we think sometimes that becomes our words, and that words brings into an action. As you all know, that many people, many successful people like maybe Dhirubhai Ambani or Adani or even the sports person like Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, everyone has a brilliant mind, and they have done a magnificent job in their field. So if you want to have a brilliant success in your field, you just have to think on that direction. And your conscious and subconscious mind will definitely help you for it. जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि जब हम कुछ सोचते हैं तो वो सोच यहाँ पे यहाँ से शुरू होती है, यहाँ पे आती है और वो एक्शन में कन्वर्ट होती है. सो वॉट एवर एक्शंस यू डू, मेक श्योर it is in the right direction, and the more you be in the right direction, your subconscious mind will definitely help you to bring out the best action you have desired. Like we all know that many people are talking about manifestation, many people are talking about the visualization, and that is truth. It's a truth that whatever we see in our mind, it brings out in our reality. So make sure, as and even I have also experienced the same. So मैं भी आपको वही बताना चाहता हूँ कि जिस आपको दो चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है लाइफ में, दैट इज़ ग्रोथ एंड दैट इज़ अनदर वन इज़ गिविंग. सो ग्रोथ तब होगा जब आप खुद से कुछ नया सीखेंगे, नया नया सोचेंगे. अभी एक ही चीज़ बचपन से आप सोचते रहोगे तो वही करते रहोगे जो आज तक हो रहा है, और अब कुछ नया करोगे तो वो करोगे जो आज तक नहीं हुआ है. सो थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक, थिंक बिफोर यू एक्ट, एंड वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली. क्योंकि कभी कभी हमारी सेल्फ टॉक हमारी आइडेंटिटी बन जाती है. लाइक गांधी जी हैज सेड इन गुजराती दैट જેવી દ્રષ્ટિ એવી સૃષ્ટિ. તો આપણે જેવું વિચારીએ એવું આપણે પામીએ, આપણે જેવું બોલીએ એવું આપણી સાથે થાય. So that's what my intention is. And as I always say, whatever you do in life, no matter what, no matter the challenges you face in your life, but make sure you have your own vision, clear vision, and set of goals so that you can achieve it. No matter what people think about you, it's their business, not of yours. You have to focus on your goals, that's it. So keep doing, keep going, and keep moving. And as I always say, कभी भी लाइफ में हार मत मानो, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. And as I always believe, never give up on your dreams, never ever give up. Keep doing, keep effort, keep doing an effort. Like if you know the example of Virat Kohli, how he is consistent in his exercise routine. So be consistent of whatever you do. Be consistent of whatever you think. Be consistent of your improve your words, improve your thoughts, improve your actions, and bring a change in your life. The most important thing is when you change your thinking, change your way of approaching the situations, change of giving a response to the situations. I think that will be the best moment for you, and God and universe definitely helps out. So change your life, change your situation, and never give up. Have a great Sunday morning. Thank you so much.